motor habits that are quietly draining your money and how to fix them. Mga preng, real talk muna tayo ha. Most rider thinks malakas sa gas ang motor nila. Pero what if I tell you, it's not your motorcycle that's expensive, it's your habits. So today mga preng, I'll show you motor habits na nakakatipid ng pera. Habits na kahit mechanic, pro rider, at long-time riders agreed on. And trust me mga preng, one of these habits alone can save you thousands every year. Preng, hindi ito pang racing at hindi rin ito pang flex. This is for daily riders, pang work, pang long ride, at syempre pang city traffic. Mga preng, simple habits pero kapag pinagsama-sama mo, malaki ang epekto sa bulsa mo. Unahin natin ang pinaka-underrated mga preng. Most rider thinks throttle is about speed, but actually, throttle is about control. So every necessary twist of the throttle mga preng is literally burning money. Bigla kang piga, bigla kang preno, ulit-ulit, that cycle wastes fuel, wears parts faster, and stresses your engine. Mga preng, here's the habit that saves money. Instead of reacting late, anticipate early. Kapag nakita mong may traffic light, intersection, or slow vehicles, don't gas it. Release the throttle early and let the engine braking do the work. Less gas, less brake wear, less stress sa makina. Hindi ka babagal overall mga preng. You're just riding smarter. Another tip most riders ignore mga preng ha. Mga preng, another tip most rider ignore. Ito yon. Keep your throttle smooth, not aggressive. Hindi kailangan full twist para umandar ang motor. Smooth acceleration equals better fuel economy, longer engine life, mas relax na ride. And relax riding means less mistake, less accidents, at syempre, less gastos. Now, preng, let's talk about tinatawag na maintenance. Some riders says, okay pa naman, next time na, di pa naman sira. Mga preng, that mindset is expensive because delayed maintenance mga preng always cost more than regular maintenance. Preng, what actually saves money is, here's the mindset shift. Maintenance is not an expense, it's protection. Regular oil change, cheaper than engine repair. Proper chain cleaning mga preng, cheaper than replacing sprockets early. And also, checking tire pressure, cheaper than an even tire wear. Preng, you don't need to be technical. Just remember this rule. Follow time or mileage, whichever comes first. Hindi dahil bihira mo gamitin ang motor, pwede mo nang i-delay ang oil change. Preng, oil degrade with time too. And this habit alone add years to your motorcycle. Next, ito ang pinaka-common mistakes. Buying the cheapest part. Mga preng, cheap is not always bad ha. But cheap without research is expensive long term. Mga preng, ask this question to yourself before buying any part. Does this part last longer? Protect other parts? Match my riding style? If yes mga preng, it's value. But if not, it's just cheap. Mga preng, one pro tip lang to. Always prioritize tires, brake, oil, and chain components. Preng, this affects safety, fuel efficiency, and overall wear. You can chip out on aesthetics, never on function. So preng, so let's recap ha. Smooth throttle, on-time maintenance, smart parts selection. This habit won't make you look cool, but they will make you financially smarter. And preng, if this help you even a little, save this video. And if you ride daily, follow for more real rider value content. Ride smart, not expensive.